The Apple Watch 6 series is the latest offering from Apple in their line of smartwatches. The watch comes in a sleek box with the image of the watch on the front. Upon opening the box, you are greeted with the watch nestled inside a protective foam casing. The watch itself is a 40mm or 44mm case size, depending on the model chosen, and comes with a variety of band options. The watch has a bright and sharp always-on retina display, which can be customized to show a variety of different watch faces. The watch also includes a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen sensor, GPS, and an always-on altimeter. It is also water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for swimming or other water-based activities. The unboxing video shows the watch being turned on and connected to an iPhone to enable all the features of the watch. The user is then shown how to navigate the watch, including swiping through the various apps and using the digital crown to zoom in and out. Overall, the Apple Watch 6 series is a stylish and useful accessory for anyone looking to stay connected and track their health and fitness.